Good evening, subscribers. Like the video says, we're going to be learning Wheat Kings, and we're going to be doing it just for beginners, so everyone has a chance to learn it, okay? If you know your regular chords, E, G, D, C, then that's perfect. That's all you need to know. So let's start in the G chord. It's a very slow song. So switch from G to C. Keep doing it until you're comfortable. Every once in a while, hammer on with your middle finger. When you get comfortable, start singing, okay? Sundown in the Paris of the prairies, we kings have our treasures buried, and all you hear are the rusty breezes pushing around, oh weather vane Jesus, yeah. Zippoliter, he sees a killer's face. Maybe it's someone standing in a killer's place. 20 years for nothing, where there's nothing new. Besides, no one's interested in something you didn't do. We kings and pretty things. Let's just see what tomorrow brings. Now you'll see there I switched, when the chorus came in, I switched to the D chord. Back to the G. Kings and pretty things. So it goes back into what you were doing in the verse. Let's just see what tomorrow brings. So, as long as you can do the G, the C, and the D chord, you've pretty well got it licked. All you gotta do is work on your timing, and a lot of times what I like to do is I'll put on the song and I play along with it. And it's a very slow song, and I know when I'm out busking, a lot of times I play it quicker than what I should. Just watch out for that. But again, very, very simple song, but it's also a crowd favorite. So have fun with it. Go play the shit out of it. Go impress people. And tune in for the next one. And I'm hoping to do a lot more videos now that I'm back. I'm hoping to get a few more out there. Thank you everyone for subscribing. If you do like this video, at least give me a thumbs up or hit the like button and share with your friends. Keep tuning in. Thanks, everybody.